Hey guys, what's going on? VT Reseller, I'm your man Topher.
And I'm Red.
And this is Red. And we've got another Wholesale Ninja box to go through. This one is going to be just cosmetics. So this is going to be a 350 piece lot to go through. We're going to, and hopefully we have some matching pieces. If you didn't get a chance to see it, we'll throw it right up here. The unboxing we did of the health and beauty box that we had with makeup. So we had a couple stray pieces that didn't have any multiples in it. It'd be nice to see we get a couple multiples in this. So we're gonna crack the box open, take a look at it, go through the stuff, and give you some idea of what this box is worth when we get to the end. So stick around to the end, and we'll let you know what these boxes are worth.
Let's see what's in here.
So here we go. See, again, just like the health and beauty box, everything is very well packaged, heavy paper.
Exciting!
All right, and we end up with a whole bunch of little bags of goodies. So we'll get these bags out, and we'll start going through them. All right, so here we go. Red, you want to start us off? See what we got?
Let's see. I got an open package, unfortunately, of L'Oreal Infallible liquid eyeliner. It's still new. It's just the package is messed up a little bit.
So again, with Wholesale Ninja, they guarantee a 95% kind of a sellable number. I don't know how comfortable I am selling that, but with 350 pieces in here, you're probably going to have something that ends up a little bit damaged. You can't expect there not to be something in here that ends up damaged. So go ahead.
I got a L'Oreal Super Blendable True Match Concealer Pen.
All right.
What you got over there?
Looks like I have a couple of these Nyx Cosmetic Metals. I'm not 100% sure what this is, but I've got a couple of them the same color, so we can lot that up together.
Looks like I've got several of these L'Oreal Infallible shaping sticks. I've got lots of them in here. So they're all different colors, different foundation colors. Got a chestnut, a tan, a sand, so on. So we can hopefully find a couple matches and lot those up if they're not worth selling by themselves.
Yes, absolutely. A couple more of those Nyx pieces in different colors here. I've got several of those. You can see I've got this red Cosmetic Metals. Lip cream. So these are liquid lipsticks.
Yeah.
So I've got several of these.
And speaking of lipsticks, I've got several L'Oreal lipsticks. This one is actually shrink wrapped together. So that would make a nice little double lot here of the same shade.
I've got a couple of these. These are Nyx Tea Tree Blotting Paper and Green Tea Blotting Paper. So, got a couple of those.
Got some more of the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. We saw some of that in the last box. So we can make a lot out of some of those. And it looks like I got several more of these Infallible L'Oreal shaping sticks. There's even more of those. So there's quite a few of them. Up to 10, I think, in this bag.
And as we go through, we're probably going to have a lot of duplicates. We'll cut those out so we kind of just show as we go the new stuff that comes through. I've got Nyx Sculpt Brow Contour. So here's the brow. You mentioned that we didn't have any brow. The top of this box is a little bit damaged, but I've got several of these. They have a sales sticker of $5 on them. So we can definitely lot a couple of these up, maybe sell them for $7 or $8 for the lot and come out really well.
I got a couple mascara, the Maybelline mascaras. We had several of those in the last box, so we're going to make some lots out of those.
And I'm not really up on my blotting, but here is a Nyx Blotting Powder. So I don't know if that and these work together potentially. I'm not 100% sure, but it seems to me like these would go together real well, so we might have a lot here.
L'Oreal, I'm not sure what this is. It's a stick. Oh, it's lip color. it's in a weird shape, but this is a lip color.
Oh, and we had a couple of those in our last box.
And this has a CVS sticker on it, so like we mentioned before, we'll have to remove any kind of stickers before we sell it. But fortunately, not a lot of this has had stickers on it.
And I've got several, so this must be the Nyx lot here that I'm going through here. I've got several of these butter lipsticks, and they're all Nyx NYX brand. So I've got 4 of this color, I've got 3 of this color, and probably promises of more of this. So I don't know, I'm not familiar with this brand. Hopefully this is a decent brand. It's got a sales sticker of $3.25 for one of them. So you've got $9 here. I sell it for $7 for all 3 of them, and I'm making some pretty decent money.
I've got several of these L'Oreal True Match concealer pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've already come across a couple, so we're up to about 10 of those. Again, those are based on the shade of your skin, so we'll have to lot those together with whatever shades go together.
Here is something different. This is Length Curl Professional Makeup.
Looks like mascara.
Look, I'm guessing this is a mascara.
Yes.
So I've got one of these, but I bet there's going to be more as we go through this. And again, this is that NYX 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 brand.
More mascara and shaping sticks. I've got a Voluminous Lash Paradise liquid eyeliner. These are always nice.
And I think I'm going to switch bags here because all I have, I've got, again, a bunch more of this. Well, this is liquid highlighter. This is maybe a little bit different.
Yeah.
Liquid highlighter. So is that, so I guess this is actually a little bit different than and this is a butter gloss. Again, NYX NYX brand.
And I've got several more of these liquid eyeliners. Got 3 more here, so we can make a nice little lot of 4. Put all those together and make them worth selling.
Excellent.
Looks like I've got some. This must be the L'Oreal bag and Maybelline. I got some eyeshadow, some metallic looking colors here.
Yep.
Like those. More of the Infallible shaping sticks. We've got lots and lots of those.
And I think I just tapped into the L'Oreal side here. I've got this is Maybelline. A couple more of these Snap Mascaras. And we looked just real quick, and so just to give you an idea, these sell at Walmart
for $7 and some odd cents.
Seven something at Walmart. If you want to go buy these today at Walmart, they're around $7 a piece. And I think they were selling lots of 2 for
$9.98.
For $9.98. So that just gives you some idea of what these are worth.
I got some more L'Oreal lipstick and the liquid eyeliner. Pretty much just a bunch of repeats. I think the rest of this is stuff that we've already gone through.
All right. Another Snap Mascara. This is Maybelline Brow Precise eyebrow pencil with a little brush on the end of it.
Can we take a break real quick? So I can... Oh no!
No. We'll continue on. We had several of these in our prior box. This was L'Oreal brand lipsticks, and we've got a couple different colors here, so potentially we can make a nice little lot of lipsticks. If they're not the same color, maybe we can lot up different colors and just see it. This is one of those deals where I think you're just gonna have to kind of see how other people are doing it and see how other people are selling it and try to kind of match up what they're doing.
Haven't seen this. We've got some Covergirl stuff in here. Total Tease mascara. I see a few of these.
Excellent.
So Covergirl isn't really an expensive brand, but again, you're looking probably $5 to $10 at the store for one of these, so we can lot 3 of them together for $8 or $9, and
absolutely,
you know, people will jump on that.
Let's see. I have an Infallible, L'Oreal Infallible. We had one of these in our last box.
Had several of those, yeah.
And this is one of those other kind of odd shaped I think this is lipstick, I think we decided.
Yes.
So we've had several of these, both in this and in the prior lot.
I got some more CoverGirl. This is new. Got a Super Stunner palette. Just some
Oh, nice.
colors there.
I've got a couple of these L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powders, 16-hour powder in a couple different shades here.
Got another one here.
And I've got got another one here.
And here.
And here.
Got several of those.
So those are nice.
Again, I've got the color CoverGirl bag, and we got some eyeshadow primer. Got a few of those. I'm seeing 4 so far, so we got a good lot of eyeshadow primer from CoverGirl.
And I'm just digging through as she's talking. I'm going through a lot. Oh, here is another one of those, number 227.
The Colossal mascaras.
Yep, Colossal Mascara. And this is L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes Mascara.
I've got some liquid liner from CoverGirl. And also, I've never seen this before. This is CoverGirl Lid Paint. So I guess it's like some sort of liquid eyeshadow. Creamy, lightweight formula, dries down smooth, lids feel comfortable all day. So it's like eyeshadow, but it's goes on liquid. I've never seen anything like it, but I'm not really big in the makeup game, so probably just missed out on it.
I've got a Maybelline number 810 White Luster Lasting Drama Light Liner. So I've got a couple of these, and this is Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. So this is a darker foundation. Hopefully we have a couple more of these, because this is fairly heavy. It's going to take a couple of these to make sense to ship.
I got some CoverGirl All Day Custom Nudes. It's a like a lip color in nude tones. And I've also got a couple of these foundations with the sunscreen. It's the Olay sunscreen. It's got a couple of those.
So that's great too, because we're coming into the springtime, into the summer. That's going to be people are going to be looking for the SPF for their skin. I've got several more of these L'Oreal Paris colors, and then I've got a couple of these L'Oreal Paris. These are a little bit different. I'm not sure if these are the same thing or different, but I've got a couple of these, so you can see what those look like.
I've got a CoverGirl True Blend foundation. It's a good one. I do see a couple more of those. We've got some different shades in that in the glass bottles here, so those are fairly heavy. Those are gonna, hopefully we can put together a lot of those, but again, you got to have matching shades, because you don't buy 2 different shades for the same person. So
yep. And what I'm seeing here is a lot of repeats, but different colors. So
yeah, I'm seeing the same thing.
So
just same thing, different color.
Yep. These liquid lipsticks, I've got several new colors here.
Liquid lipsticks, different colors. CoverGirl. Lots of the same stuff. Got some more of these lid paints, the liquid eyeshadow. These are really interesting. I may keep a couple of these for myself, because I would like to try these.
I'm going to start into a new bag here and see if we get some different stuff. And right off the bat, what is falling out of this bag is a whole bunch of these Nyx
that's a brow contour. Yeah, brow
so
contour.
A whole bunch of these different brow contour pencils. It looks like I've got a couple of them that are the same color, so hopefully we can lot these up together. Again, make one big lot, save you on your shipping, take your shipping per item, cuts it in half, right?
So this is a NYX Away We Glow liquid highlighter. This is pretty. I like this. Got lots of those. Actually, there's several of these lip creams and liquid highlighters.
Yeah,
Those
I've got a whole,
you got a whole mess
of those. Yeah. I got another one of these tea tree blotting papers that we had just a second ago. Let's see.
Mine's just repeats of
Yep.
the stuff we've already gone through. I think that's.
Yeah, this is one. This is I haven't seen this yet. Super clicky, the NYX Nyx brand matte lipstick. So these are rubber banded together in a easy lot of 3. Let's see. Well, I think that so what we've ended up with is a lot of repeats, but again, that is by far not a bad thing
No,
because
that's a good thing.
I can make one listing and put multiple quantities in it, and you're looking to save time to make your time worth it. So that definitely will do that for us here. All in all, like I said, we spent right at $350, I think, for this box. The price per item on this is because we did have a coupon code from Lindy, so I want to say our price per item on this is, after shipping and all, it's going to be just like $1.50-ish in that neighborhood.
We can definitely sell this for more than $1.50 after shipping. Yeah.
I think we're going to be in really good shape here. Plus what we got in the prior box. I don't know that I could be more happy with this. With this being our first time buying from Wholesale Ninja.
May be a while before we buy again because it's going to take a long time to get all these listings going.
Yeah.
All this stuff pictured and listed up on eBay. So it's going to take us a bit of time.
But then again, the nice thing is when you go to buy again, if you end up with more of the repeats like this, if you set your listings up in order to not go away when something sells, but just kind of goes into an out of a stock type, you can go back and just add quantity back. So if we get more of these in our next box, all we have to do is just go in, put the quantity back up. The listing is back up exactly like it's supposed to be. And so again, once you get this train rolling, it's much easier. We're going to have front load a lot of the work on this, and it's going to take a while to get this. I think we ended up with 650 pieces total. So it's going to take us a while to get all of this up and going. But once we do get this up and going, I think we're going to be in a pretty good spot to keep us floating. We're not going to make a home run on any of one of these items. We didn't. This is not going to sell for $50.
We did get that electric razor.
Yeah. Again, if you missed
Epilator.
it, I'll put it right up here. If you missed it, we did get the epilator. So that's probably going to be a $25, $30 hit, which is great. That's going to, and then we ended up getting some things that probably aren't going to sell for a lot of money or at all. It just won't make sense to list them on eBay. So, but at the end of the day, I think we're going to do really well with this. Based on what I see here today, I would definitely encourage, if you're looking for merchandise to sell and going out to thrifting, retail arbitrage, getting out of your house and doing something, if you're not comfortable, if you don't like doing that, to me, it's a time commitment that I just don't want to spend. If I can do this online, get it sent to me and get it listed, it makes a lot more sense for me to do this, even if I'm not making as much per item. My time saved and the time I put into it is definitely worth it for me. So
All right,
I'm pretty happy. Guys, thank you so much. If you've made it this far with us, I really appreciate you hanging out. If you could drop us a like and subscribe. Next time we get another lot in or we hit another storage unit, you'll be notified of it. And thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate your support.
Red out.